If you're looking for an easy way to give stock as a gift, this is one of the easiest ways I've found. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how this process works and the company that does this and why I like it so much. All right, so this is a look at their website, and this website is called Stockpile, and we'll have a link up above that'll take you over there. They occasionally have a sign-up bonus of like $5 of free stock, and so if they have that available, we'll have that linked up above and down in the description below. And essentially what I love about this site is that they allow you to start investing, like I say, just for $5, and what is great about that is they allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks. And there are actually very few companies who actually will allow you to do this. Almost every stockbroker online forces you to buy an entire share of a stock. For example, Amazon's stock price right now is around $1,800 at the time of this recording. And so you would need that much to buy one share of Amazon. But with a tool like Stockpile here, you can get in for a small fraction of that amount. So what does this mean for you and I as gift givers? And I think this is a great option for Christmas gifts and birthday gifts because it's something that potentially could make them more money, and something that could, it's like a modern day version of the savings bonds that a lot of us got as kids. But what I like about it even more is it gets kids and teenagers interested in the stock market and interested in investing, because they have little gift cards like this where you can send your little nephew this $25 gift card that allows them to get $25 worth of Amazon stock. They just need to take it to the website, sign up, doesn't cost them anything. And there are other ways that you can give stock as a gift, but this is by far the easiest, cleanest, I think best gifting experience to where you actually have a gift card that you can give someone. And to be honest, I just think it's a really cool idea. Now, if you want to see how this works once your recipient gets the actual gift card and how they redeem it, we'll just walk through that process right now. So all they need to do is come over to the Stockpile website and then go to redeem, redeem right here. And it's going to take them to a page that looks like this. They just enter this redeem code. It's a lot like just having a gift card. And then after you enter the redeem code, it tells you you're about to own $25 Apple stock. So at this point, if they did want to get a different option, if they wanted to invest in like an ETF, or if they wanted to invest in a different stock, they could click other options and go down that path. But in this case, we're just going to click get this stock. And then we're going to now just quickly create our account. All right, and then we're just going to click sign up. All right, and then we just click redeem the gift. It's telling us what it is trading per share. It's $182 for a share, so we don't have to spend that much. We can get it for $25 in this case. And then we're going to go ahead and click redeem, and then what we're going to get is a portion of a share of Apple stock. And that's really all it takes to take one of these gift cards and redeem it and turn it into something hopefully, you know, far more valuable than what you're actually spending. So it's a gift that actually makes them money instead of one that is getting thrown away in a couple years. So here's a handful of questions that I had and wanted to get answered before I moved forward with this. So I'll just answer them here for you. And if you have any other ones, you can ask down in the comments down below or check over at Stockpile website. And we'll go from there. So one thing I was wondering about is, are the kids going to be charged fees, like monthly fees in their account? Because I remember having a IRA that I opened as a teenager, and they charged me like a $20 monthly fee. And I watched my balance go from, I think it was like $200 or $300 down to zero. The fees literally ate all of my investments out of my account. And thankfully, Stockpile doesn't have any fees and they have no minimums. Additionally, if the kids or any of the gift recipients want to invest more, they can invest more for 99 cents a trade. Now that is pretty much the cheapest that I've found at any online broker. And so I love how accessible they've made this for the younger generation. And if you're wondering how to actually get these gift cards, so I think these are sold in some stores, but you can go to their website, you can buy these. You don't even need an account to buy them, so you can just buy them directly from their website. You also can send an e-gift where it will send them an email where they'll have basically a virtual gift card attached to it. And then you can also print one off at home and put it in a birthday card or something like that to hand that to them as well. Now, I think these plastic cards just feel like a normal gift card, and I think it's a really cool way to do it, but it costs you a few bucks extra to do these. And additionally, you have to wait for them to arrive in the mail. So whatever works best for you. But all in all, I just think this is a great way to give a gift, and I'm super excited about it. So hope this helps you. And if you're new to our channel, my name is Bob Lotich, and what we do here is we talk about practical ways to kind of put more money in your pocket via savings, investing, paying off debt, all these different things. And then we also talk about some of the timeless biblical principles about how to manage our money wisely. You know, many people are surprised that this book that's thousands of years old actually is very timely advice for how we should manage our money. And in fact, it actually works. So that's what we talk about on this channel. So if that interests you, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can hear from us as we create more stuff like this. And if you enjoyed the video, please let us know by leaving us a thumbs up down below. And that's all for today. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.